Let's take a look at the Battleborn Elite 120W 12V rigid solar panel. This panel is designed for applications where roof space is limited, but power output, reliability, and durability still matter. In terms of size, it falls into a compact rigid panel footprint, roughly under 4 feet long and under 2 feet wide, making it easy to fit around roof accessories and tight layouts. The focus here is getting more usable solar power out of a familiar footprint without compromising build quality. One of the standout features of the Elite 120W panel is efficiency. It uses advanced monocrystalline cells to deliver higher power output per square inch, allowing you to generate more energy without needing additional roof space. That makes this panel a great fit for RVs, marine installations, and mobile systems where space is at a premium but energy demand is growing. Another key advantage is Battleborn's ShadeGuard technology. ShadeGuard is designed to help maintain energy production when part of the panel is shaded, which is extremely common in real-world RV use. If you've ever camped under trees or dealt with partial shade throughout the day, you know shading is almost unavoidable. ShadeGuard helps the panel keep producing usable power instead of falling off dramatically when that happens. The Elite 120W panel is built for long-term durability. It features a rigid anodized aluminum frame and low iron tempered glass, giving it the structural strength it needs to handle harsh environments. The panel is tested for heavy snow loads, high wind conditions, and salt mist exposure, making it well suited for RV, marine, and off-grid applications where equipment has to hold up over time. This panel is designed to integrate cleanly into 12-volt solar systems and pairs well with Battleborn batteries and charge controllers. It's backed by a 10-year product warranty and a 25-year linear performance warranty, reinforcing that this is a long-term power solution, not a disposable component. The Battleborn Elite 120W 12V rigid solar panel delivers high efficiency, durable construction, and dependable performance in a compact footprint. For systems where space is limited and reliability matters, it's a straightforward way to get more usable solar power without compromise.